how to change state in Lasty Survival Shooter. So state, which means pretty much server in this game. In order to change your server or state in the game, simply you must make sure that you've unlocked different features in the game. So if you've unlocked different features here, if you go to the top left section in your profile where you can see account, you'll have to press on account, and then from here, if you've logged in through a email, and if your account is verified, you'll see a character management section. So simply press on character management. If you want to change your state, simply go ahead and press on this plus icon where you'll be seeing different of the state. You can see there are good states and then crowded state. If there is green state, then it reads it is a good state, and if there are red dots, then it reads those states are crowded. So if you want to change the state, simply press on any of the state you want and then simply press on yes. It will change your server, and pretty much that means your state. Hopefully this helps. Thank you.